Okay, here we are recording. As for band score, Mr. Kamal, I'm sorry, but task achievement, you did not identify and summarize the most important features. You might have presented an overview with information appropriately selected. So we're going to give you a 6 there at most. As for the other tasks, well, there wasn't really any organization to your paragraphs. So we're going to say inaccurate or, oh, no, someone's calling me. Can I call you back? Call you right back. Okay. And lexical, you're using the same words from the table. Grammatical range. Okay. Let's look at how I answered this. All right. There is a table which indicates the total acreage of land covered by forests on 6 different continents over a 15-year period. Some people mock me for this, that I decide to use this which thing here. But you know what? It is a relative clause, and it presents a complex sentence right at the very beginning, and that's going to help you in your grammar score if you can do it correctly. And once again, there's not much difference between it is noticed and it can be seen, but same idea. This is clearer, though. Most regions of forested land remain the same. It remains stable. Okay, that's our first point. 2 regions were different. And then this first part, we talk about how things are the same. Europe, Asia, North America, all of which a very little fluctuation. This is data. It's data that isn't on the chart, but you have to analyze it and put it that way. Oceania had fewer forests to begin with. It's not a huge fact. It's not a main point that Oceania has the smallest amount of forests, but it's worth noting. And then if I can make a comparison, having about 1/5 the amount of land covered by forests as Europe, the most verdant region. Ooh, look at that vocabulary. Wow. Okay, and now here we say, here's where things have changed. And I don't have to say millions of hectares every time. Okay, so again, in task 1, it's about the most important information, not the highest and the lowest. It's finding the trends. Trends, changes over time. What changed? What didn't change? Don't take the easy way out. Look harder for your main, most important information in task 1, and you will be rewarded with high bands in task achievement anyway. The rest of it, as for grammar and vocabulary, well, that's on you.